Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I am on Monton Green in Monton M30 with an exciting opportunity to show the substantial 4-bedroom period property which is situated over 3 floors plus cellars. As you can see, there's off-road parking to the front. As we head inside, we go into a porch which leads on through to a welcoming entrance hallway. You'll notice as we go throughout the property, it's full of original features like these lovely doors. And from the hallway, we go into this spacious dining room, which is flooded with natural light. And this provides access to a bay-fronted family lounge. Just off the dining room, there is a spacious fitted kitchen. And then to the rear of the property, from the patio doors in the dining room, this lovely decked balcony that leads on out to a beautifully maintained garden, complete with later-on grass, mature plants and paving. The space really speaks for itself, lovingly made into the state it is today. Property, like I say, also has the added benefit of cellars which are accessed externally and are currently in use as storage, but also provide the scope for further renovation. As we head inside, just grab the lights. We go into 3 different main chambers, all providing ample storage. Monton Green is in the heart of Monton Village, which is a short stroll away from bars, shops and restaurants. It's a great family location as well, close to local schooling, and it's close to excellent transport links throughout Manchester, leading through to Salford Quays, Media City and Manchester City Centre as well. As we head upstairs onto the first floor, on your first right, head into this huge 4-piece family bathroom. Then over to the first of 4 double bedrooms. With the main bedroom to the front, benefiting from views of the green. Then on the top floor, on your right, got a large double bedroom, and the 2 bedrooms also benefit from a Jack and Jill shower room connecting the 2. Then we have the last of the double bedrooms. If you're looking for a large period property in the heart of Monton, this could be the one for you. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.